Hi guys, welcome to Thai Show. Now, I'm going to open the box to unbox the tractor, okay? Hey, what is this? Oh, come on. Hey, red color tractor, okay? It's very nice, okay? Now I'm going to fit it, okay? 3 parts in that box. Oh, wheels are perfect, okay? Now the trolley. Hey, wheels are perfect, okay? Now I'm going to fit it, okay? Oh, come on. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, very strong. Oh, very nice, sir. Oh, very nice moving. Perfect. Excellent tractor. Color in red. It's moving smoothly. Very nice. Oh, it's going. Please subscribe and bell all. Okay. Thank you.